cantilever beam shortcuts. So first one is cantilever beam with free end load. So here put 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Okay. So first initially WL square divided by E. Want to memorize only WL square divided by EI. Okay. So multiply with this one. So answer is slope at B is capital W L square divided by 2A. Next, uniformly distributed load 1 by 3 is multiply with this one. Here slope of uniform distributed load is, so is here is uniform distributed load, so small w, so L cube, using L cube divided by 2 by 3 6 EI. So 1 by 4 multiply with this one, so small w L cube divided by 24 EI. Okay, this is simple. So firstly initially you want to memorize WL square divided by WL square divided by EI only. Okay, so multiply 1 by 2 with this one, so WL square divided by, so next 1 by 3 is multiply with WL square divided by 2 EI, WL cube divided by 6 EI. So WL cube divided by 6 EI multiply with 1 by 4, so answer of WL cube divided by 24 EI at slope B. So slope at A is 0, so fixed point is 0. So next for deflection condition, so here complete 1 by 2, so here 2 by 3 into L to theta corresponding slope value, here 3 by 4 into L into corresponding slope, here 1 by 4 complete all, so 4 by 5 into L corresponding slope value. So deflection is at point B WL cube divided by 3A. Here uniform distributed WL power 4 divided by 8EA. So 4 by 5 multiply with L theta multiply with 4 L cube divided by 24 EI, WL power 4 divided by 30 EI. Here there is no deflection at point C, so all are 0. Okay. Next one, this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next, fourth one, so condition is also 1 by 2, here 1 by 3, WA square divided by EI, multiply this one, so WA square divided by 2 EI. So here is capital W. Okay, so multiply with this one, slope at B small w A cube, okay, divided by 6 EI. Okay, here condition is case 2, okay, case 2 minus case case 2 minus case 5. Okay, so case 2 is uniformly distributed load minus okay, both are minus, value is W 6EI L cube minus A cube. Okay, so minus of uniform equal to uniform distributed load minus distributed load in the beginning only. Okay, so minus of these two, so you can get the value of case is 5, case 6. Okay, next condition. So 1 by 2 completed. So 2 by 3 A up to point W. Okay, up to point W. So A, here L minus A. Okay, so here deflection in two deflection, at point C is deflection 1, at point B deflection. So now both are not equal. Okay, here. So the answer is W A cube divided by 3 EI at deflection at point B plus W A square divided by 2 EI into L minus A. Okay, so next deflection at point C. So at point C is this deflection is point C, this deflection is from this length L minus A. So this is 0 at point deflection C. So only deflection W A cube divided by 3 EI. This is a capital W. Okay, capital W. Okay. Next condition is completed 1 by 3. So 3 by 4 A plus L minus A. Okay, so up to 2 deflection, point C is and point B deflection. So deflection at point B is 3 by 4 into multiply this one, W A power 4 small w 8 EI plus W A cube divided by 6 EI into L minus A. So here at point C, okay, this is deflection at point B. So up to 2 terms. Okay, A1 L minus A. So A1 L minus A. At point C is L minus A 1 up to A. So W A power 4 divided by 8 EI. Okay, this is also case 2 minus 5. Okay, this is also case 2 minus 5. So answer is W 24 EI into 3 L power 4 minus 4 L A cube plus A power 4. So at point B, okay, at point C is deflection 0. So there is no deflection at point C. So load is starting only point C. So point C is 0. Okay. Next condition, this also 7 and 8. This also conditions for case 2. Okay, case 2 minus case 3. Okay, this is the condition 2 minus 3. So that value is W L power L cube divided by 8 EI. Condition is 2 minus 3. Okay, so 2 is uniformly distributed load, 3 is uniformly varying load. Okay, so 11 by 120 into W L power 4 divided by EI. At condition C, there is no point C, so 0. In this condition, so this is a simple one. So slope at is ML divided by EI So here m L square divided by 2 EI. So moment take moment about point L. So ml divided by EI. So ml square divided by 2 EI. So deflux C is 0. Thank you.